Before you buy a LuxStone shower, watch this. Before you decide to purchase and install a LuxStone shower, know these 4 things. 1, it installs fast. Most LuxStone showers take 2 to 3 days, and in some cases can be installed same day. Tile can take up to 2 weeks or more. It's designed for low maintenance. There's no grout lines, which means less mold and easier cleaning. But it's a premium product as well. Typical price range, $18,000 to $25,000 or more installed. Also important to note, it must be installed by a KOHLER-certified installer to keep the limited lifetime warranty. The best remodel decisions often happen before the remodel starts. If you're currently researching shower options and want to compare LuxStone to tile, acrylic, or fiberglass, we invite you to follow us for an honest bathroom remodeling advice and conversation. Check out the full article about the pros and cons of LuxStone by clicking on the link provided.